grandpas and aunts and uncles, anybody visiting who hasn't ever been here before, how we do Rise and Shine. Are you ready? Remember, when your feet rise, your voice stays up. Stand. Join me for Rise and Shine.
Put your feet on your bum.
We're listening. Here we go. Ready?
Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. A little bit louder.
Wonderful job, parents. If you would stand and join us as we say our pledges, please. With our right hand on our hearts, friends, we stand and face our flag. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Facing our oaths on the flag. Ready? Begin. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. All right, raising your right hand as we say our Washington School Creed. Ready? Begin. I am a Washington Pre-K flag. I pledge to be kind, to use the nicest words I can find. I am special and bright. I will work with all my might. There is no one else I'd rather be than me. Great job. Deep breath, please.
Deep breath.
Wonderful job. One more. Hands to your side, in front of you. We're ready for a moment of silence. Ready? Begin. Great job, friends. Now when you sit, remember your voice stays up.
Very good. Sit down.
Sit right back down.
Have a seat up.
Today we're celebrating roaring readers. It's the first time we've celebrated roaring readers, and anybody can be a roaring reader. And now after today, you'll see kind of what that looks like. We send your books home every week, and then you get to read your books at home, and most of you will write down how many books that you read. Does this make sense? You know what I'm talking about? Okay. So in pre-K, we want you to read 10 books a month. And you can actually read more than that. Some of you will have read more than that. If you read 10 books a month, every month you get a little tiny prize. And Miss Stephanie, it's her favorite thing to do in the office is buy prizes because she likes to find cute little things. I'm not sure what you do with these, but they're like little squishy balls with different animals in them. Are they so awesome? Yeah. So you're getting one today. Your teacher may have already came and got them. But they're all different colors, and all but look at this is a moose. Isn't that fun? So that's if you read 10 books a month. Your teachers are going to tell me in just a minute how many roaring readers there are in each class. I hope every child is a roaring reader, but sometimes we have to work our way up. And then your teacher is going to tell us who read the most books, and that person will get to stand up, and we'll give them a big cheer, okay? Are we ready to do roaring reader? All right, so we're going to listen for how many roaring readers are in each class, and then who read the most books in every class. Then we'll do our sparkling awards. We start with Miss Suter just because she's first in line. Okay.
Okay, we have 9 roaring readers in our class.
9 roaring readers in Miss Suter's class. And there you are. Miss Allen's class has...
We have 14 roaring readers.
Is this working?
Hello?
Okay. We have 14 roaring readers. Do you have your top reader? Amita, stand up. Amita read the most books in her class. Let's give Amita a round.
We had 8 roaring readers, and Austin was our top reader
Austin
with 57 books.
He read 57 books! Thank you. Miss Penna.
In this class, we had 8 roaring readers, and we had a tie for first. We had Sage and Sheridan with 20 books.
Sage and Sheridan. They both read 20 books. Way to go.
In Mrs. Smith's class, we had 18 roaring readers, and our top reader was Evelyn. She's not here, but she read 61 books.
61 books, and you had 18 roaring readers. That's almost your whole class. Way to go, Miss Smith's class. Way to go, friends. Okay, here is Mrs. Stafford's class. Let's listen.
In Mrs. Stafford's class, we had 8 roaring readers, and Grady, he was our top reader. He had 31 books he read this month.
Ready,
In Mrs. Greenhagen's class, we had 12 roaring readers, and our Evelyn had 28 books. She was our top reader.
Good job! Good job! Okay, Miss Sanders.
In Miss Sanders' class, we had 12 roaring readers, and our top reader is Arcadia Lodge with 94 books.
You read 94 books. So far, I think you're the top reader in the school. Way to go.
In Miss Arnold's class, we had 11 roaring readers, and Gage is my top with 33 books. All right.
Awesome. Let's give Gage a hand. Hey, pre-K. Okay, let's close our mouth for the last class so we can all hear.
In Miss Van Kuren's class, we had 11 roaring readers, and Gabby, stand up, was our top reader with 47 books.
All right, let's give all our volunteers. Okay. Friends, everyone can be a roaring reader. Say, I can be a roaring reader. You have to read your books at home with your family, and you are a roaring reader. If you start practicing reading right now, you will be able to read when you go to your big kid school, okay? All right, here we go. Who thinks they have been the cleanest class in the cafeteria? Oh, everybody has been working hard. This is our sparkling tray, and it goes to the class who has been the most tidy all week long. I don't think this class has got it before, but sometimes you might get it twice. The class who has been the most tidy in the cafeteria is Mrs. Greenhagen's class. Let's give them a big cheer. There we go. Thank you guys for being so tidy. And our sparkling dustpan goes to the class who cleans up in their classroom. And who has been tidying up in their classroom? All of you
like Miss Ellis has leaves, and Miss Suter has, well, I can't remember what you have in yours, but I was trying to remember. What do you have? Noodles, and I have paper. So it's a lot to pick up, isn't it? But it makes it so much fun. Acorns. But the class that was the tidiest this week is Miss